All right, video 3 of 9, and we're going to start right here. Pearl, ruby rather, or coral, or red rose at the very least, judging from the hue, responded the old minister, putting forth his hand in a vain attempt to pat little Pearl on the cheek. But where is this mother of thine? Ah, I see, he added, and turning to Governor Billingham, whispered, This is the selfsame child of whom we have held speech together, and behold, here that unhappy woman, Hester Prynne, her mother. Sayest thou so? Cried the governor. Nay, we might have judged that such a child's mother must needs be a scarlet woman, and a worthy type of her of Babylon. But she comes at a good time, and we will look into this matter forthwith. Governor Billingham stepped through the window into the hall, followed by his 3 guests. Hester Prynne, said he, fixing his naturally stern regard on the wearer of the scarlet letter, there hath been much question concerning thee of late. The point hath been weightily discussed, whether we, that are of the authority and influence, do well discharge our conscience by trusting our immortal soul, such as there is in yonder child, to the guidance of one who hath stumbled and fallen amid the pitfalls of this world. Speak thou, the child's own mother. Were it not, thinkest thou, for thy little one's temporal, eternal welfare, that she be taken out of thy charge, and clad soberly, and disciplined strictly, and instructed in the truths of heaven and earth? What canst thou do for this child in this kind? And I can teach my little Pearl what I have learned from this, answered Hester Prynne, laying her finger on the red token. A woman, it is thy badge of shame, replied the magistrate. It is because of the stain which that letter indicates that we would transfer this child to other hands. Okay, so what we see here is, so basically the governor, they want to know is like, have you been raising this child morally acceptable, like in a morally acceptable way? And then Hester's saying, well, I teach her that, I teach what my little Pearl, what I